Hi there, Lisa Arana here from Dahlhouse Designs, here with a card featuring the Basically Said stamp kit from Unity Stamp Company, full of some basic sentiments that are great for lots of different occasions. Today's card is for a wedding, a congratulations card with a watercolor background. So I'm going to be using some distress inks, and I'm just prepping my palette right now. It's an acrylic block, and I'm just pressing each of those ink colors onto my palette. So now that I have my inks ready, I'm going to work on my watercolor paper. I just have a normal paintbrush with water, and I'm prepping my paper with some water. This helps to start saturating the paper so the inks can move more freely. So I'm tapping on some of the lightest color, and I'm noticing that it's not moving very much, and that's fine. So I just keep tapping between ink and water to kind of build up and help those inks move on their own. So here I'm kind of building up the shape I want in my background, that splotch that kind of looks like a splatter of color. And going back again now with an orange color and tapping that in. And this is where the movement starts to happen. You can really see how that orange is moving when I add the water, and that's the effect that I'm really going for. And I'm slowly building that up so I can create some dimension in my background. I'm just going to stop here and dry everything with my heat tool. This is kind of fun because it moves the water around as well in those inks, so it kind of builds up some more dimension in the background as it's drying. So here it is, all dried, and it's pretty muted, so I think I need another layer of color. So I'm grabbing my paintbrush, adding a little bit more of that orange with just a little bit of water. I don't want it to muddle and to all blend together. I want there to be some layered orange on top of that background I created. So I'm happy with this, and I'm going to just add some splatters all around the card just for a fun effect. So now that my background is done, I'm going to build up the rest of the card. I'm using some thread here, and I'm just wrapping it around my finger to create a circle. And then my sentiments already stamped and embossed with clear embossing powder, and then popped up on foam adhesive. Now I'm going to lay that thread down just kind of haphazardly and kind of messy, and then I'm going to use the foam adhesive to tack it down. That's the only glue I should need for that. It's not going to go anywhere. And then I'm adding some hearts and sequins, again, just to add a little bit more interest and movement to the card. So here's the finished card with the splashed watercolor background and some fun little embellishments for this congratulations wedding card. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!